Hi! Do you like sweet potatoes? It is rich in dietary fiber and minerals, so it's a very popular vegetable in many countries, Korea included. Since they are easy to digest and are generally low in calories, so I'm used to eating them when I diet. Especially during the winter time, I love to eat roasted sweet potatoes. Fortunately, I still have some sweet potatoes that I saved for this video. So what we are going to do is make a unique snack with glutinous rice flour. I would like to name it the Korean style sweet potato pan rice cake. Too long? I know. Anyway, the taste comes out chewy and sweet. So boys, girls, men, and women, anyone out there will enjoy this. Furthermore, this recipe doesn't need many ingredients, so you will have no trouble with following along. Are you ready? Here we go! First, let's peel the sweet potatoes. Please simply cut them in suitable sizes like this, and steam them in a steamer for around 30 minutes to make mashing them easier. After they are done steaming, put them in a bowl and mash them. Add 5 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour and 1 tablespoon of honey. Our dough is done. Next, I'm going to make it in the shape of a rounded flat and decorate them with some nuts. I think this step is the most fun part of this recipe. For the grand finale, let's fry our dough over a low heat with a little bit of cooking oil. If you like sweet taste, then you could dip it with honey or syrup. Ta-da! Enjoy your meal. I really appreciate you being here with me. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye!